Isang produktibo at makabuluhang taon ang 2023. Bago matapos ang taon, 3 ang naging ganap na batas, mga landmark legislations na maituturing na naipasa bilang tagapangulo ng Committee on National Defense at Labor. Bukod dito, gumugulong na rin ang pagsasabatas ng ilan pa sa mga importanteng legislation gaya ng Eddie Garcia Bill, Ligtas Pinoy Centers Act, o ang pagtatatag ng evacuation centers at marami pang iba. At sa maraming pagkakataon, nanindigan siya sa plenaryo para ihayag ang saloobin sa mga usaping nakakaapekto sa mga manggagawa, mga uniformed personnel na nagtatanggol sa soberanya at teritoryo ng bansa, mga ordinaryong Pilipino, maging ang Senado bilang pinagpipitagang institusyon.
For colleagues who scooped or leaked our conversation to this media outlet.
My condemnation of the gruesome death of Ranara, who, just like the millions of our OFWs, was simply seeking better opportunities abroad so that she could provide for her family and loved ones at home. Mula sa kilalagyan ng PRP Mangyan, tanaw namin ang nasa 8 hanggang 9 na Chinese militia ships na 2 hanggang 3 nautical miles lamang ang layo mula sa shoreline ng Pag-asa Island.
We were able to know the incident and the man behind the gun-toting incident, which happens to be a dismissed cop due to grave misconduct. And we must not accept this culture of impunity to continue, especially on our public roads. Clearly, Mr. Gonzales is a danger to the cycling, commuting, or riding public.
In-inform na kayo ng mga police na meron na silang initial investigation with regard to the death of the victim, and you did not even exert any effort to locate these students.
Totoo ba na sinabi mo na guni-guni lang yung nagpapablatter sa'yo at eventually namatay dahil hindi mo tinanggap yung kanyang pinapablatter?
Wala po akong matandaan, Your Honor, na sinabi kong
Wala akong matandaan. May amnesia ka. You yourself denied Joe M. na ipablatter yung gusto niya ipablatter. Mr. Chair, I would like to move that Staff Sergeant Rizaldo be cited in contempt.
Ako sinungaling o ikaw? Ako sinungaling o ikaw?
Mali lang po yung bilang, Your Honor.
O umabot ng 4 na taon. After 2 days, pinapalayas mo na siya, pero umabot pa ng 4 na taon sa'yo. I warning both of you. Pag oras na napatunayan namin na kayong dalawa nagsisinungaling, pakukulong ka namin. Yung 2 amo, yung mag-asawa nung araw, kanamlansya ng muka kay Bonita Baran. Nasintensyahan yun. Reclusion perpetua. Pag kayo nagsinungaling dito, ganun din papupuntahan ninyo. At seryoso ako rito. Seryoso ko rito sa kaso nito. Miss France Ruiz is the mastermind of everything, of maltreating, of inflicting severe injuries, leading to the total blindness of Aling LV. I move that we cite this woman, Mrs. France Garcia Ruiz, in contempt.
Can you escort Mrs. Ruiz to the detention facilities of the Philippine Senate?
I still insist that she be committed at the Pasay City Jail, because Pasay City Jail is just near the Senate. We can always subpoena her or call her attention in case this committee needs her presence here. And may I call the attention of Miss Cynthia Carion that we've been here working at 9 o'clock in the morning, waiting for all the budget of the departments to be deliberated upon. We are doing our job, and no one has the right to tell us to stop talking here. It is our duty and our job to perform our work here in the Senate. And you do not have the right to tell us what to do here.
Habang tinutupad niya ang kanyang mga tungkulin at responsibilidad bilang veteranong mambabatas, tinutukan din niya ang pagtugon sa mga nangangailangan nating mga kababayan.
maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtitiwala at sa pagkakataon na makatulong sa inyo. Karangalan ko po ang makapaglingkod sa inyo. Mabuhay po kayo lahat.